Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Medium Partner Program for income and visibility, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for the Medium Partner Program, first, visit the Medium website. Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account, select sign up to create a new one. You can sign up using your email address or your Google or Facebook account. After signing in, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Medium Partner Program section. Click on the Join the Medium Partner Program button. Read through the guidelines and requirements carefully. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, including content quality and originality. Once you confirm your eligibility, click Apply Now. Fill out the required information, including your payment details for income distribution. Make sure to provide accurate tax information as needed. After submitting your application, wait for an email confirmation from Medium. Once approved, you can start publishing content to earn income. For increased visibility, focus on writing engaging and valuable articles. Use relevant tags and optimize your articles for search on the platform. Monitor your performance through the Medium dashboard to track earnings. Continue to engage with the Medium community to build your audience. Stay updated on Medium's guidelines and best practices for continued success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.